BZQ Kitchen and Grill. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Feel free to subscribe, share, like the video. Today is going to be a good one because we're talking about the keto diet or the keto lifestyle. In my case, personally, it's the keto lifestyle. For some people, it may be a diet because you're just trying to cut weight or whatnot, but whatever you choose to do, hey, that is on you. I have been extremely overweight at one point. I'll definitely show you what that looks like, and it's not a pretty sight with the man boobs and everything. It's not good. But today we're going to be making what's called Sous Vide Egg Bites. Now, I know you've been to Starbucks before, and you probably purchased these, and they'll run you about $4.75, almost $5 just for two egg bites. Today we're going to make, I think, 7 or 8 of them, but they're going to be delicious. The recipe is easy, and we're going to be using the infamous Instapot today. So for those of you who own an Instapot, this is going to be great for you. For those of you who don't, once you see this, you're going to go buy one. Oh, and on another note, when we talk about the keto lifestyle, people talk about keto coffee. So I'm going to show you my version of keto coffee. It works great for suppressing your appetite and also great for getting those healthy fats that you need to get through your day. All right, so let's get it. All right, we've got 1 green onion, about a 1/4 cup of spinach, about a 1/4 cup shredded cheese, got about a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This is Polka Kielbasa. Now, you don't have to use that. You can use any type of meat you want, whether it be bacon or not, and that's just salt and pepper. I'm gonna season it to my liking. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of that. And we got 3 eggs. Awesome. So first thing we're going to do is incorporate our cream. Got our onions. Got our spinach. Cheese. And I'm going to put maybe half the meat in right now. Mix it really good. I'm going to take some of our salt and pepper. Because if I dump all of this in there, these are going to be the saltiest. I'm talking about high blood pressure egg bites. All right. Next step is to put them in our silicone mold. All right, so we've got our silicone mold. What we're gonna do is just coat these. Now, typically stuff doesn't stick to the silicone, but you want your egg bites to come out really nice. You don't really want them to, my goal is I want them to just slide out of here. Okay. Out. We're going to spoon it into our egg bites. You don't want to fill it up too high because when it cooks, it's going to rise. Okay, so that's good enough right there. Man, these are going to be really good. Well, you can eat these for lunch, breakfast, for a snack. You know, it's a low carb, high fat snack. What's making it high fat is the the heavy cream. Heavy cream is your friend. You can put heavy cream, you know, in your food and coffee, and it's okay. It's the sugar that you want to stay away from. All right, so we got a few things going on here to make these egg bites, okay? You got this, right? Well, when I purchased this, you can get it on Amazon. It comes with this. What this is gonna do is open up like that. That goes inside, okay? And it sits on the bottom so the egg, the silicone doesn't touch the bottom. So we're gonna take this, and when you take the egg bites out, you take these handles and just pull them right out. I'll show you guys that too. So we're gonna start with a half cup of water. Gonna put that inside. And so here we go. Drop those in. All right. Now the next step I'm gonna do is I got a piece of foil. So I'm gonna put this over the top of this. The reason why is because it's gonna be condensation inside of this and it's gonna sweat. What we don't want is for the moisture to get all over the egg bites. So once we've got our foil on here, we're gonna get our top. And we're gonna set it for manual 8 minutes. So it's only gonna take 8 minutes, but it takes time for this to get to the, for the pressure to get right on here, right? Pressure's gonna get right, and once it's done, it's gonna let me know. We're gonna release the steam, the pressure out of it, and then we're gonna show you what the egg bites look like once they come out and then once they're settled as well, all right? So stay tuned. All right, so our timer just went off. So I'm gonna release the steam and release the pressure, and then I'm gonna show you what they look like. Once we take them out, we're gonna let them settle down and let it rest. And then we'll take them out and I'll show you exactly what they look like, okay? So here we go. Pressure's released. Take it out. So you see all this moisture in there? The tin foil is stopping this from leaking onto that, okay? All right, this is gonna be hot, so be careful. All right, carefully. So this is what they look like. All right, let's check that out. Looks really good, doesn't it? All right, so we're gonna let them rest. It looks like we could have let them cook some more, but that might be the oil from the cooking spray. All right, so got a plate. We're gonna start taking these out. So all you need is a spoon just to get them out of there. These may not come out perfect, but as you can see, there's still some in there. So when you're taking these out of the cups, make sure that you get all along, like really get in there, loosen it up so you can get the whole thing out. If you don't, you'll still leave some in the cups. Like that one, that's a perfect one. That's perfect. Look at that. They all should have came out like that. I guess I was taking them out wrong. Boom. Okay guys, there you have it. Sous Vide Egg Bites at your own convenience. No need to go to Starbucks and spend $5 when you can spend less than $5 and make your own. 7 of them to be exact. Do the math. So that being said, guys, we appreciate you for coming back to the channel. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel because we're growing each and every day. So we appreciate you, and we see you guys in the next video. Peace.